Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to Do It For Yourself. So today I'd like to talk a little bit about a really nifty product called an oil filter cutter. See this? Now I don't suspect that a lot of people will need one of these. I think that if you're a DIYer, for the most part, you buy one of these simply out of curiosity like I did. And plus, it does give you some insight on what the inside of your oil filter looks like. If you have any metal shavings on the bottom of your filter, it gives you an opportunity to look at the filter itself and then the build quality of the filter. Good thing about these cutters is that they're adjustable. So you can, it doesn't matter how big the filter is. This should fit most, vehicle filters that are out there. I don't know about a Freightliner, but for the most part this should fit every filter that's out there. It adjusts pretty wide. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to demonstrate how it works on this 2019 oil filter for a Hyundai Tucson. And so the way it works is you put the wrench on, and then you adjust the knob until you touch the filter itself, the metal part of the filter itself, the housing. Okay, now I kind of already started it here. So now that I've already started it, I can go ahead and squeeze in a little more by turning this knob and then just turning the filter a little more. Now I don't feel like I'm digging in much, so we're going to turn it a little more until we get some tension in there, some resistance. And then we're going to turn the wrench again. And the goal here, let me go get up just a second, guys. So, keep telling myself I'll have everything prepared before I start. The goal is to catch the oil that drips, if any does drip out of here, and then I'm going to bring it in here, and then we're going to inspect the filter. Okay? So let's do that. Here we go. That's the one I want. Okay. Alright. That's the one we want here. Okay, so here, we're going to go ahead and turn it some more. Well, I don't think it's going to drip yet, if it drips at all. So you can kind of see, I can feel resistance from the housing. And as soon as it starts feeling a little easier to turn, you want to go ahead and turn the knob a little more. See how I'm feeling resistance there? So I know it's cutting through the housing even more. I'm going to pull back a little bit. Now it's starting to cut, like right in there, you can tell. There, it cut it. And my fear is that it'll spill over here, but I won't know yet until. Okay, let's break out one of these. It doesn't spill all the time, but it could this time. Yeah, it's cutting it real nice. There we go. No dropping. So now I'm gonna loosen it, and there you have it. Now, like I don't know if I mentioned, but this oil filter cutter wrench tool should cut just about any filter you have. I use it on my truck and on my cars, and that's it. That's what it does. A nice, perfectly cut housing, turning it into like a lid. It's kind of cool. Very heavy. This is an OEM filter that I use in my 2019 Hyundai Tucson. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the oil pan here. And before we go any further, let's get a little closer on the top. You see what it looks like. See that? And so what we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera over to the oil container. And we're going to zoom in on it. That's as best we're going to get. Okay. And there we go. Just like that. Okay guys, so here's the top portion of this filter gasket. And here is the filter. And like I might have mentioned, it gives you an opportunity to inspect your filter to see if there's any metal shavings in it or, you know, anything unusual. The best part is that you don't have to cause a mess by using like an X-Acto knife or any kind of knife to try and cut the housing. It just comes in handy if you do a lot of your own oil changes and you just want to inspect your filters. It lets you know if you need a better quality filter or not. I've seen guys open these really cheap filters that show how bad the filters are inside just by using one of these wrenches. See that? I don't see anything at the bottom. Let me go ahead and dump this just a second. Okay. So this filter is a result of the last oil change I did on my 2019 Hyundai Tucson. And I'm looking down at the bottom of this and I don't see anything that's looks concerning. There is a little bit of something like built up there. I don't know if you can see any of that. But for the most part, the oil looks good. The oil looks like it did its job. Okay. And so basically I just wanted to show you how this oil filter cutter works, and that you can basically cut through any size filter you have if you decide you want to, you know, do it. Anyway, just want to point that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm hoping to put out some more here pretty soon, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.